Here's how to use AI to discover new marketing angles for your SaaS. This is going to help you stand out in a crowded market and better connect with your target audience. First thing you want to do is get data on your competitors. So go to G2 and identify 3 to 5 of your top competitors in your software category. You can go check out the categories by going to g2.com and look through these lists. For us, let's take a look at data warehouse solutions. Let's say your competitor is Snowflake. Now what you want to do is scrape the user reviews for each of these competitors. This is going to give you a goldmine of user feedback and insights. Pros, cons, what are they using it for? Now, there's a free Chrome extension you can download called Xtrache G2 that lets you scrape all these user reviews for free. Just download it here. Once you have that downloaded, you can click the extension icon in the top right. You see we've downloaded the first page of reviews for Snowflake. Once you have the review data, it's time to use AI. We can open up Claude. The reason we're using Claude is because of the larger context window. So it's perfect for analyzing lots of review data. So we can copy and paste these reviews into Claude with the following prompt. Analyze these reviews and identify. We want to identify common pain points that users experience. We want to find out the features they love the most. We want to think of any unexpected use cases. And we want to know the language and terminology that the users are using. And we paste it. So I'll come back with the outputs in a second. Okay, Claude has returned the output with the user review analysis. So we're going to copy this and paste it into a new document. Once we have it in this document, we can begin to brainstorm new angles. So if users are frequently mentioning a pain point that your product solves, make that a key message in your marketing. If there's some new use case, consider creating new content just for that niche and use the language and terminology here. Data warehouse, ETL, etc. So this is a great way to target new niches for your SaaS. Now you can feed, once you have some of these data, you can actually feed it back into a tool like Chachapity or Claude and ask it to create headlines, ad copy, or even a complete landing page. Let's try to do that. So we'll target the Gen AI applications and using some of these frequently used terms. Now you can create a presentation summarizing your findings with new marketing strategies. You can even use AI to help design the presentation. And that's how you use AI and tools like Xtrache G2 to come up with new marketing angles for your SaaS. The approach combines real user data with AI analysis to give you an edge in your marketing efforts.